One of the questions was, when your upline quits the business, well, guess what? When your boss closes his company down, does that mean does it mean you should never work a job ever again? When someone that actually you work with in the working environment quits, does that mean jobs don't work? Well, guess what? I bet you didn't sign up to your company for your upline. I bet you that your upline success never ever made a difference in your success. Yes, your upline could have guided you. I'll be very upfront with you. Majority of my uplines, I was never on their leg where they got paid off. So guess what? They didn't have any financial benefit of me. And that's what made me work harder. Your upline is just the person who blesses you with the idea. In no company out there does it say in the contract, or does it say in the terms and conditions, that your upline needs to pick you up every day, wake you up every day, make the calls for you every day, take you to the meetings, do the presentations, close your guests, do the trainings, and motivate you every day. No, it doesn't. Nowhere did it say that. Your upline is a blessing just to introduce you to the concept. It's your job. It's your job, who has control of your entire downline, to step up. As I mentioned in my previous videos, my mentor and my coach is YouTube.com. YouTube never ever phoned me. YouTube never ever motivated me. YouTube never ever told me, Sashin, you didn't watch any videos today. Well, I want to let you know one thing. Stop depending on your upline, because your upline success is literally the pinnacle of your success. Start going beyond your upline. Start striving for greatness, something bigger. And I'll let you know one thing. If your upline leaves to another company, God bless him. If your upline quits, God bless him. Majority of the uplines will, I promise you, will give up. And here's the most important thing. Are you ready for your upline to be your newest downline in the future? Well, guess what? If you quit, you're gonna follow him. If you don't quit, he will be your downline if you show him what he's lost on. So if you love what you see, share this video with your entire organization. Post a comment below, subscribe to my YouTube channel, and most importantly, I'm in Rio de Janeiro, Brazil, on the beach. You should be here.